This is the walk up to the second section of the Via Ferrata Extreme, and here there's a lot more vertical climbing. This is where the second part starts. So you make your way down here and into this gully. Sorry mate, be as quick as I can. Ah, it goes round here. That bridge there that you can see the guy just walking across, that's a free fall that you can do. I think it's only a free fall of about 10 metres, and at a price of £40, I do think that is quite expensive. However, knowing me, I will probably end up doing it sometime. Shit. Bit of an overhang here. So this bit here actually is an overhang, and you're actually going under the rock that you was actually on. I really like this little bit of footage here. You can see the path that you're going to go across. You can see the gully. And the only thing it doesn't show is how high you actually are off the floor. you're now just about to climb just round the corner of this rock, and once you do, you're almost at the next stage of the Via Ferrata Extreme, which is the Infinitt Bridge. You can see the platform just to your side, and that's the start of the Infinitt Bridge. Just a couple more steps over and you're there. Yeah, no worries. That's the end of the second part, and then the third part is the bridge.